If you want to change the floating notification style on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, or S26 device, here's how you can do it. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Next, tap Advanced Settings. Now select Floating Notifications. Here you'll see 3 different options. The first option is Off. If you choose this, floating notifications will be completely disabled. The second option is Bubbles. This shows notifications as small floating bubbles on your screen. It's especially useful for messaging apps like WhatsApp or Messenger. The third option is Smart Pop-up View. With this option, notifications open in a small floating window so you can quickly reply while using other apps. Select which apps can send you notifications as pop-up view. Toggle on the option from the list. Simply select the style you prefer, and the change will be applied instantly. And that's how you can change the floating notification style on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, S26 Plus, and S26.